Hello, I'm Michael Ryan, and welcome to another episode where we're actually shifting a little bit from not specifically retail shopping centers. We advertise that as our core competency, but we're really talking about commercial investing. And for first-time commercial investors, it's an exciting realm to step into. It can be apartment buildings, self-storage, industrial, local shopping center, office buildings. The world is your oyster in this. And so we go through this with our overview process is really an interview on you, determining what your core competencies are. And in particular, we really need to delve into what your weakness in. Nobody likes to say they're weak. Yeah, I don't like to admit I'm losing a little bit of hair or the color's going away, but it's a fact. And when we bring these facts to the forefront, it removes myths, fantasy, misdirection, and everything else, and it becomes a key piece to your investment philosophy, and it is all designed to strengthen you, because without you in the equation, there is no balance sheet, there is no financing. So contact us to take the first steps in your investing in commercial, and it can be so rewarding. Call today. I'm Michael Ryan with Michael Ryan Associates, and you have a fabulous